Alright folks, before we get started, if you're ready to boost your credit and snag a cheeky discount, don't forget to click the link in the description below. Now, let's dive straight in. Kovo Credit versus Kikoff. It's the ultimate credit building smackdown, and trust me, you'll want to know which one's worth your time and your money. First up, Kovo Credit. Imagine Kovo as your mate who's got a knack for structure. With Kovo, you're basically buying digital courses. Think personal finance tips or productivity hacks, and paying them off in monthly installments. Each on-time payment gets reported to the credit bureaus, helping you build your score. The best bit? You don't have to actually finish the course. I mean, you should, but, no judgment here. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Kovo does a soft credit check, so no dings on your score. But there's a small monthly fee, and their trade line only reports to 2 major credit bureaus. So if you're aiming for a triple threat with all 3 bureaus, it might fall just a smidge short. Next up, Kikoff. Now, Kikoff is the chill friend who wants to see everyone win. For as little as £5 a month, you get a small line of credit to spend in their online store. Buy something, even if it's just a digital ebook, pay it off, and boom, your on-time payments are sent to all 3 credit bureaus. Plus, there's no hard credit pull, no hidden fees, and cancelling won't harm your score. But hey, Kikoff's credit is only good for their store, so you won't be buying pizza or concert tickets with it. And if you're hoping for a massive instant score jump, it's more of a slow and steady kind of deal. So, who wins? Well, that depends. If you fancy useful courses and a bit of structure, Kovo might be your cup of tea. If you want something low effort and super affordable, Kikoff's a solid shout. Either way, building credit is all about consistency and maybe a touch of patience. Want to jump in? Check out the link in the description for your special offer, and let's get your credit on the up. Cheers for watching!